In this video, I'm gonna show you how to paint the shittest door on planet Earth. Take a gander at this one, right? One at a time to do trim. I'm gonna show you how it's done professionally. Stick with me to learn the adventure of a lifetime. Semi-gloss trim 101. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna be painting this door today. Latex, semi-gloss, bend more. 1 inch at a time in the bucket. We're gonna start on the inlay first, which is this around here. Then we're gonna do the panel. We're gonna apply the paint first. Dunk, dunk, slap, slap. Work quickly when you're painting doors, panel doors. Let's get it done quick. Inlay. We're not putting it on overly so it drips, runs and sags. But we do want to put the paint on because if you're not putting it on, you're taking it off. Here you go, feather off your inlay. Do your middle piece. Might as well do the top over here. You're afraid to put the paint on. If you're not putting it on, you're taking it off. Dab, dab, dab. Bend down. Next panel. Inlay first, now we're going to do the panel. Quickly, the product doesn't dry. We want to keep it all wet at the same time. Do your middle. Next panel, apply the product first. You can work quick when you're doing that. Apply it back and forth with the brush. Put pressure on the brush. Now you're going to do your inlay. Middle panel. Quickly, get some paint on there. We want to keep the door wet all together. We don't want any portion drying before we finish the last phases, which are the rails. Next panel. Now we're going to do the paint to make it smooth. Feather over your work. Now you're going to stand up. You're going to finish your side rails. Feather it in. Dunk your brush. Finish the side rail. And there's your door. Beautiful semi-gloss. We're going to be giving this door 2 coats. I still have plenty of paint in my bucket. My brush is not destroyed. The paint is not fully across the brush. We don't want the paint going all the way up here. We only want about this much paint in the bottom of the pail at a time. Just enough. Look at the shine on that first semi-gloss door you painted all by yourself. And mind you, that's only the first coat. Excellent job. You got this.